Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G85 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First open your phone dealer, then enroll keypad, and here we will be entering the codes. The first one that I wanted to show you is *pound, and #225, #*. So this is calendar info. All upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your device will be displayed right in front of you. So it's super useful. You will not forget about any of them. Then pretty short code, very useful, *pound, 06 pound. And here you've got device information. So anytime you look for email or serial number, just enter this code and it's definitely the quickest method to reach them. And the last code that I wanted to show you today is *pound, 426, #*. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can see status and events. Tap on more icon to explore it a bit more by tapping on advanced view. So this is it. That's how you can use secret codes on your device. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.